warm up and slim down with a more plant-powered soup. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how one pot and a hearty appetite are all you'll need to enjoy getting extra veggies in your diet. Let's dive in to my recipe for lentil, kale, and cauliflower soup. To get started, heat 1 tablespoon of Gustari Vita olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 cup each of chopped onion, celery, and carrots. Cook these for 10 minutes or until softened. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and cook for a minute more. Next, add 1 cup of Hy-Vee all-natural dry lentils, plus 1 32-ounce container of Hy-Vee vegetable stock, 1 cup of water, a 4th teaspoon of ground cumin, and a 4th teaspoon of ground coriander. Bring these to a boil and reduce the heat to a simmer and cover for about 30 minutes. After that, add 2 cups of Hy-Vee shortcuts cauliflower florets and 2 cups of torn fresh kale leaves. Cover and simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender. Cauliflower is full of slimming nutrients like fiber, which helps support weight management and boosts fullness. Once that's done, move the pot off the heat and stir in 2 teaspoons of Gustari Vita red wine vinegar and season to taste with salt and pepper. Garnish with radishes and you're ready to serve up a delicious vegetarian soup that'll help any diet stay on track. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.